Next question, if phi of xyz equal to x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus 3xyz, find grad phi and modulus of grad phi at 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. So here the function is phi of x comma y comma z. That means the value is in terms of xyz. Observe here xyz only there. So x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus 3xyz. Next, first of all we want to know what is the formula for grad phi. All of you know grad phi equal to dou phi by dou x I crown plus dou phi by dou y j crown plus dou phi by dou z k crown. Find out dou phi by dou x. Dou phi by dou x equal to 3x square. With respect to x, y constant 0, z constant 0. Here 3yz, for x 1. So finally we get 3x square minus 3yz. Observe here also I write that one only. Now dou phi by dou y. So with respect to y, x constant 0, 3y square, z constant 0, minus 3xz, for y 1. So finally we get 3y square minus 3xz. Okay, this is also same thing. Dou phi by dou z equal to, with respect to x 0, with respect to y 0, with respect to z 3z square, minus 3xy constant for z 1. So you are going to get 3z square minus 3xy k crown. So now substitute 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. So this one 3 into 1, 3 minus yz, product of yz is minus 2. So minus 2 equal to 3 plus 6, that is 9. Here 9. So 3 into minus 1 whole square is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 3 into xz. So 2. So 3 minus 6. Minus 3. Here 3 into 2 square. 4. 4 3s are 12. Minus 3 into x. 3 into product of xy. That is minus 1. So 12 plus 3, 15. That's why grad phi at 1 minus 1 2 is 9i crown minus 3j crown plus 15k crown. So modulus, how we are going to find modulus means root of coefficient of I crown whole square, that is 9 square is 81, minus 3 square is 9, 15 square is 255. Add these three, then we are going to get 315. 315 can be written as 9 into 35. So 9 comes outside as 3. That's why this is modulus of grad phi. So next question, if phi of x comma y comma z is x square y square z square and f bar equal to 2x I crown plus yj crown plus 3z k crown, find first one f bar dot grad phi, f bar cross grad phi, third one gradient of f bar square. So first of all we want to find out grad phi. So given that phi of x comma y comma z equal to x square y square z square. So grad phi means we need partial differentiation of this with respect to x. That means y square z square constant for x square 2x I crown plus, you can write continuously, x square z square constant y square differentiation 2y j crown plus x square y square constant partial differentiation of this one with respect to z 2z k crown. So we can get 2x y square z square, 2y x square z square 2z x square y square. So this is your grad phi. Now do dot product with f bar. This is given f bar. Substitute grad phi, substitute. We know that product of a1 and a2 plus product of b1 b2. After that plus c1 c2. So observe, into 2x means 2 2s are 4. 4 into x is x square, y square, z square as it is, plus y into this one, that means 2 into y square, 2 2s are 2 into y square, x square, z square. After that 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into x square, y square, z square. Finally we are going to get 12x square, y square, z square. Next, f bar cross grad phi. So cross product is evaluated by using determinant I crown, j crown, k crown. F bar, observe f bar and write down 2xy 3z. Observe grad phi, write down 2xy square z square, 2y x square z square, 2z x square y square. Now I crown into, multiply these two minus these two. Then we are going to get 2 into x square y cubed z minus 3 2s are 6 x square y z cube minus j crown into 2x into this. So 2 2s are 4, x square becomes x cube, y square z minus 3z into this. 3z means 6 into x into y square into z square, z is z cube, plus k crown into 2 2s are 4, x into x square is x cube, y z square minus 2 into x as it is, y square into y is y cube, z square, k crown. So this is the value of f bar cross grad phi. Next one, modulus of f bar square. So f bar equal to, given that f bar equal to 2xi crown plus yj crown plus 3z k crown. So modulus of f bar is root of 2x whole square is 4x square, y square is y square, 3z square is 9z square. So here square is there, square and root cancel. Modulus of f bar square equal to 4x square plus y square plus 9z square. So gradient of mod f bar square equal to partial differentiation with respect to x, that means 8x I crown, partial differentiation with respect to y, total 2y j crown, partial differentiation with respect to z, 18z k crown. So this is the value of gradient of f bar square. Here with respect to x means y square 0, with respect to y, with respect to x means y square constant 0, with respect to x means 9z square constant 0. That's why we only get 8x. Similarly for with respect to y, 4x square constant 0, 9z square 0, so 2y. With respect to z means 4x square constant, differentiation 0. With respect to z means y square constant, differentiation 0. Finally we get 18z.